Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video here I am going to show you how to create settings group in your app settings page. If there is more than 10 settings items, it is better to arrange the items into settings group. So here is an example. So in this page we have some settings group. Here storage is a settings group title, here text to message is another settings group title, and multimedia messages is another settings group. So now we are going to create a layout similar to this one. So here I already used the same example used in the previous episode. So first here I am going to add the needed strings resources for creating the settings page. So here I add all the needed string resources for creating the settings page. Okay, now we can create the preferences. So you can create a group by using the preference category attribute. So the preference category will create a separate group. So first here I specify a title for the group. So now you can add the group items. So here I add some group items. Here is a checkbox preference and another two preference. Okay, so now I'm going to create another group using preference category attribute. Specify the title. Specify the title for the group, text to message group title. Okay, here also I'm going to add some group items. Here also I place a checkbox preference and another preference. Now add another group. Specify title for the group. Here also I'm going to place one preference item. It's a checkbox preference. Okay, so now we can test it. So here is the design. So here we have a three group. So I run the project. Okay, now the application available on this device. Go to settings page. So here we have a settings page with the groups. So we have three group of items: storage, text to messages, and multimedia messages. Here we have a checkbox preference. Okay, this is how we create a settings group in your app settings page. I hope you understand the concept. For getting more video tutorial, please subscribe this channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.